What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, EDC videos, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Please stay tuned through the intro for our December Nomadik Box. What's up? Welcome back. All right, so today we're going to take a sneak peek, an early look at the December Nomadik Box just for you guys. So let me get my cheat sheet here. Nomadik, if you're not familiar with Nomadik, it's a subscription service, subscription box. You go in there and you tell them what your shoe size, what kind of cell phone you have, because you could get a phone case, you could get socks, you could get all sorts of things. And it's related and all geared around outdoor enthusiasts. All right, prices, you can pick 1, 6, or 12-month subscription. If you do one, it's $32.95 per box. You just pick one. If you do 6 months, it drops it down to $31.25 per month, or per box. And then if you do the 12 month, it drops it down to $29.99 per box. Pretty good prices. They claim that there is a $50 plus value for each box. Sometimes it's in question, sometimes it is debatable. However, it is some good items. And I can tell you, over the course of getting these boxes, there have been gear items that I wouldn't have thought myself to go buy, like gear repair stuff, patch stuff. You don't think about that until you have a hole in your gear. So that's really cool. They throw that stuff in there. And so yeah, let's just jump in. This is the December Nomadik Box. So I'm gonna use my Victorinox and this Mosquito. I'm gonna use this Victorinox Classic SD. For me, this is an everyday carry. It is in my pocket all the time, and I am just attracting some mosquitoes right now. So let's get in here and get this box cut and see what we have this month. We'll keep this kind of handy, and let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up, and each month comes with a pamphlet like so, with a theme. So this one is Campfire Revelry, and on the back side of the pamphlet you have the Nomadik shop. There will be a link to Nomadik in the description below. You can get over there and check Nomadik out. And there's also brand discounts on each pamphlet. Some of them have short expirations, some are good for like a year. And inside your pamphlet you will have a list and description of everything in the box, and then you will have some tips that usually go along with the theme, and a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month. So really cool. We keep this handy. If you're new here, we keep that handy just in case we need to read on something that I don't know about. So let's just dig in and see what we have. All right, so what is this? Exploria Supply Company. So it's a wooden handle. What is it? Ah, check that out. So this, I'm guessing, is a retractable roasting fork. Never drop that perfectly toasted marshmallow or hot dog again. These roasting sticks are sturdy, durable, and made to last a lifetime. Solid wooden handle and stainless steel serrated prongs ensure your food will be secure and taste delicious. Retract the fork to safe carrying in your pack or your car, and easily hang with the attached leather strap. So you have a leather strap here that you can hang it from, and it is retractable. Pretty good length there. And then you have your serrated fork, and then that just, you got two little tabs here that you can grab and pull that down in there, which is a little easier said than done. Gotta line it all up just right. There we go. Well, maybe this is a little easier to do. There we go. All right, so it's in there now. So it's not gonna stick, poke, or anything. So that's pretty cool. That's unique. That's something that, like I said in the beginning, not something I would think to go buy for myself, but something that would be cool with kids around a campfire. So All right, let's see what we have next. We have our Nomadic sticker. That one's pretty cool. I don't know if I've seen one like that one. Got the bear on it. Let's put that to the side. And what do we have here? 30-foot USB camping light from Revel Gear. It has a dimmer switch. You plug into any USB power source, and it has 100 LED lights. That's pretty cool if you're doing like a tent camp. I wouldn't necessarily take this hiking with me, but if you were doing like a tent camp or a family camping trip, that'd be really cool to have. It's 30-foot, 100 LED lights, 5-volt USB powered, low power draw, waterproof, lightweight at 1.6 ounces. So at 1.6 ounces, you could take it hiking with you. It's not that heavy. Let's see if we can get a glimpse. So that's what it looks like. You've got a switch there, and I'm guessing that would be your dimmer switch. It's got instructions and all that. We'll have to check this thing out. I had to get the kids out in the backyard and try that out. So from Revel Gear, camping light. All right, next, what do we have? So much more to do. It's a book, over 50 variations of the Campfire Classic. And so it's basically a s'mores cookbook. That is pretty cool. So you've got brownie s'mores, crunchy granola s'mores, Rice Krispie bar s'mores. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Again, this is looking like a family camping trip is near and in the future. So this is the last thing we have. What do we have here from Rumple? Now, we did just not long ago do a review of the Rumple original puffy blanket. I'll put a card up top. You can go check that video out. It did also come in a Nomadic box. This is Rumple beer blanket. Okay. It's got a little snap closure. Well, let's just show you this. So this is what it looks like here. It has a little snap closure that goes there. And what do we, oh. So it is a koozie that matches the puffy blanket. You've got an open bottom. You've got little nylon straps there to hold a beverage of choice, your can or bottle. And yeah, that's pretty cool. That is unique. That is different. It's actually deep water, which is the same color as my blanket. It's a different color trim, but the main color is the same. So really cool. That is definitely a unique item, and it packs into this little pouch so you can carry it with you wherever you go. You can carry this in your pocket in that little pouch. So yeah, really cool. These are some cool items. Like I said, not generally things I would think to go buy myself, but they are really cool items. So get over it, check out Nomadik Box. I'll have a link in the description below. And that's all I've got for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this box. Stay tuned because we do one of these every single month. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.